Hey guys, Spilly from Motorcycles Vancouver here, over at EMS Motorcycles, doing our install video for the Free Gear T-Rex Racing has sent me. So this is my second time doing some free wrenching down at EMS. They're a local motorcycle shop here in Vancouver, just off of Marine Drive. They do the in and out oil changes while you wait, 20-minute oil change. Only guys in town who do that for the bikes exclusively. And they said I can use their tools free of charge. So let's go get our wrenching on, get these frame sliders installed. So let's go check it out. I'm here at EMS using some of their tools. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to install these T-Rex racing sliders, frame sliders, axle sliders. So first thing you want to do on any motorcycle, you're gonna want to remove your frame bolt first. It's best if you always do the one closest to the clutch. And it's best if you do one at a time, as these are important bolts for your motorcycle. So what's really cool about the T-Rex sliders is they actually make them for a whole variety of different bikes. A whole ton of them. Regardless of the type of motorcycle you have, you can probably find one that works. Every year they're making new ones for all the new bikes. It's really awesome. So as you can see, I've removed my engine bolt, my frame bolt. And all you gotta do here is use the custom hardware that they make with the axle slider, or frame slider in this case, and just screw that guy back in. You'll notice the hardware is actually going to be the same size as the original that came with the motorcycle. So just that easy. Just a turn. Now you're going to want to torque these down to about 30 pounds of pressure per foot. You do want to make sure that these are on nice and tight. Okay, so that's one. And if you come on over here to the other side, we'll get that second one done.
But it's her duty. It's her duty. They work very well. Oh yeah! Oh, that's way worse. That's way worse. That's way worse. That's pretty
Easy, eh? Quick and easy.
Oh really? Home Depot to get some.
Okay, so check it out, guys. Look at that, 5 minutes flat. I got those frame sliders installed from T-Rex Racing. You want to get yourself an easy install kit like that? Just check out the link in the website below, or the website in the link below. If you need to get your oil changed, come check out EMS over on Marine Drive. They'll help you out real quick. Quick and easy, get you out on the inexpensive. So thanks for watching. Make sure you go check out T-Rex Racing. And we'll see you on the next episode on Motorcycles Vancouver. Later, guys.